Mic is on. Okay, there we go. All right, so today is July 18th, 19th, July 19th, 2024. Um, NQ and ES are bouncing off of their ADR levels. So I added those to my charts. Um, Respectfully, these levels coincide with my levels as well. Um, I'm going to get rid of the settlement prices because price is not respecting them. And today we don't have any major news. We do have a speaker here at on Forex Factory, but we have two speakers here on the Econ Day, Econo Day. All right, so I already marked my levels. As you can see, NQ is inside yesterday's low range. I'm looking for buys down here, sells up here, major sells up here because of this price action. So this is the middle here. If we break up above, I would like to see price hold and move up. Um, this coincides with ES. I'll be trading ES, not NQ. I'm going to ES. Let's use this one. All right, so for ES, I don't have that same level that NQ has, which is right around here. So what is that? How many points is this from? This is about a 40-point range. Let me see if I can find yeah, this actually matches up well with this here. So it's gonna be kind of tough. I don't want to force and put anything there. I don't really have anything here that sticks out. I can go down to the 5-minute chart and see if there's anything that sticks out. We do have this here, so I can mark that, but then it'll just be too tight. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it be. If this is not for me, it's not for me. I'll look for a buy down here, sell up here, major sales up here at the top. My ADR levels look okay. Let me get rid of the settlement prices as they're cluttering up my charts. And point of control, I'm going to chop it up. So yesterday I was going over just my daily regular morning setups, looking for levels, back testing, looking for levels, trying to see what was going on with the charts because I haven't been able to feel the market. I felt like I just been pointing and shooting without really aiming, or even having a target to shoot at. So I've been working on just looking for clarity on just ES alone. I did the ES 30-minute, 5-minute, and the 1-minute. So 30-minute for my levels, 5 minutes for my entries, and 5 and 1 minute for my entries, and that's basically it. So I did about 5 days. So I can pull them up so that way help me review days that I did. So yeah, so I did about 5 days. So the 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Yeah, we started rolling over. So I did like a 1 week, and then I went to the next week after that. So it looked basically I usually back test around the same times that I'm trading. So if I'm trading in July, I'll back test July. If I'm trading in May, I'll back test May, and it has helped me stay on point. On the 18th, I didn't find anything, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a sense I back tested. 18, I didn't find anything, so I didn't save it. 19, 20, 21, 22. And the 25th, I did find different various setups, some failing, some succeeding, some being short, some moving right away. And then just looking at certain things. So for the 19th, these are my levels that I had marked. Price broke above. I like this green candle closing here above. It coincides with Can I make this? No, because I didn't. Okay. Um, this one here, closing up above. Let's see here. Let's see if I can count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one right here, all right? Closing above it, and then we had a nice pullback on the 5 minute, and then also on the 1 minute. Found an entry either here on this breakout, which is more conservative but aggressive for as far as R&R, or buying on this retest here. Stop loss here. And the price had a nice rally straight up, and the price actually went, I think, much further than this, a lot higher, but we broke above pre-market, held, came down, and then pushed up higher. All right, and then it's a bit of a breakout retest here. So same idea. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a nice breakout. Price closed above it on the Heikin Ashi. Close above it again right here. And then we pull back and we buy on red. And we had a double bottom from this 30-minute candle. Nice volume. We had a double bottom on this retest, and then could enter at any one of these. Could have entered here, but more so the breakout retest. Right, I do like the strong volume that we had here. Could have entered on this pull out, being more aggressive, waiting for price to break out. Price come down, could have added some more here on this retest, and then letting price move higher. So as you can see here, price closed fully, and also closed fully on the Heikin Ashi, and then we retested with red, got the red, buy on red, and then push up for greens. Over here, all right, don't have any red, but price held and then just took off. So this one maybe a little bit harder because we don't have any change of colors here, but I did like the volume that we had here. It stuck out like a sore thumb, and price was like one of the last lows, and price kind of held it, so I marked it. Usually I have like price bounce and then the volume's like in the middle, and I don't like that, and then it kind of messes this thing up, kind of like I don't say anything here, but I like when we have a volume wick and then price actually stays above it versus going below it and then coming up, or just price giving the volume in the middle of nowhere. So more confidence in the setups around here. 21st, my levels came from over here. These are some high volume from this candle. Price went above, came down, high volume from that candle, stayed inside of that range, and then so when price opened, I think price opened here. So price opened here, so I went for a long, right? Should have bought on red, but I bought on green. So this should be more of a scalp scenario. Push up, and if we can go long, we go long. Price rejected. So that one was one of the ones that failed to go higher. Alright, and then we have this one here, where price is basically demolished my stop loss, and then here I think I end up entering again on this 21st one. I think I did. I think I ended up still taking a trade there if I can find it. Three, 9, 4, 5. No, this is not the same area. Okay, can't find it. All right, third trade. So on the 22nd, three trades. Um, the first one looked like I tried to go short when price started moving up and then started pushing down. So we had um, no ready yet. So sellers never stepped in. So I kind of forced this entry. Right, sellers never stepped in, but we did have wick. Right, price pushed up. That one failed. Trying again. Now sellers stepped in. Right. Actually, I entered before. I entered here early. So before this candle close. So sellers still didn't step in yet as far as the 30-minute. Um, so this would have been a quick scalp. And then I ended up getting stopped out. And then on the third trade, we can see sellers did step in. Buyers try to push price up and then enter on the channel break. And then from there, price had a nice strong move down. Could have entered on this candle here, maybe around here, and then let price just go. All right, because sellers and buyers had their rounds. So there's nothing for the 24th. So 25th is the Monday. Looks like. Let's go on the 25th. 25th. We had buying. I entered prematurely here. Price pushed up, right? Nice quick scalp down. Price ended up stopping me out, right? Nice quick scalp up, and then just calling it. And then on here, second trade, we had looks like we had buyers never stepped in yet. Oh, we had buyers stepped in here because price closed right at the level. Buyers stepped in. We see it. Looking for sellers to step in, but we bought at I bought at on the pullback, and then just pushed up to value area to initial balance high. This is the 11:15. Don't think we would have the chance to wait another 30 minutes because we're going into lunchtime. So price bouncing here, bouncing, bouncing. Buyers finally step in. Right. If I can zoom in, I'm gonna see if I can open this up. So buyers finally step in, and then buy on the wick on the next candle that pulls back, and then just look for continuation. So that one will be a little different. Here, buyers stepping in, buyers stepping in, but we don't see buy yet. Then we can see the buy. Look for a channel break. Look for a pullback, which we got on this candle here, and we entered on that one to push up. And I think price probably went a lot higher. So price dumped, and then entered here and bought right away as price broke the channel on the right here, and then just ride it up for a good 20 15 points. So those were my back testings that I had. um, this one here just says no volume and pre-market high or day. So yeah, so no volume right here at the tops. So this value, this level came from here. So I had no volume on the pre-market level. So everything came from the previous day. So which is where we bounced off and we did our things. So that was the 21st. As you can see with these trades, right? Trying to buy here, not the pre-market, but you know they had their small potentials, but the extremes were what counted. All right, so that's it for me for today. 15 minutes, not that bad. Market opens in 20 minutes, and this is where we are now. I am going to look for the same things, just taking my time, looking for when to scalp, when to buy. You know, here I could say that buyers haven't stepped in yet. And here we have buyers stepping in. Let me go back to that one that I was looking at. I want to make sure that, yeah, buyers stepped in on Heikin Ashi. Okay, yeah, buyers stepped in here in Heikin Ashi. Look for a channel break. This is the 4030, so around 5. Look for a channel break here. Could have bought this one here and then up. So if I look into the I'm gonna pin this real quickly so I could try to find my channel. I think my channel is gonna come from this drop, and I do like that inverted hammer I have right here. So this drop here, all right, run down like this, and then this looks just like the other one where it pulled, where it came down twice. So we draw as channel, and we have the breakout here. Could have bought here like this, and if I'm looking for 2 to 1 or 4 to 1, then I could have add more here and then price run, right? This probably would have been the next best entry, probably the best entry, because this strong move down and up, retest, and then enter. All right, so and that's about what, 14 points, right? Yep, about 14 points more or less. So that's that. That's a nice pre-market move that came in about 5:30. So those are the things that I'll be looking for, just taking my time, looking for buyers to take their turns, sellers to take their turns, and I think that'll help me a little bit more than versus the aggressiveness that I was giving at the beginning of this week. I felt like I slowed down as of yesterday, and I'm looking to continue slowing down for the continuation of my trading sessions for until life. So that's that. I'm done for today. I am liking this here so far, but I'm not liking these here at all. So that's it for today. I'll be back later on for post market.